All right, what's up, everyone? So this is the unboxing. All right, this is more Funkos that came in. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna try to make this super quick. Oh snap! They are not playing. Oh wow! Freddy Funko, Freddy Mask Peeps.
No.
This is crazy. Got the candy in there. Limited edition, Wondrous Convention 2023. Wow. Got that. I should have ordered like more than that. Next one. Ooh. Freddy Funko, the baseball Freddy. Again, limited edition. All right, limited edition. I got me one. This is crazy right here. All right. Definitely going in my personal collection. And the last one, see what time I got. Jeez. It's a few seconds. All right, y'all. Loso. I'm not even going to open this. I'm going to keep it in the plastic. But, yeah. Toy Story 25th edition. Loso.